Let's say that we get a new justice who is of a different philosophical bent than Antonin Scalia. How could that affect a whole range of cases or types of cases the Supreme Court hears?
Well, Justice Scalia has been so instrumental in pushing what's known as originalism. This is the idea that we should interpret the Constitution as it was originally understood. A justice who does not agree with this could be very, very different than Justice Scalia on things like federalism, on things like abortion, on things like the Second Amendment, on certain topics where the liberal and conservative justices see life very differently. And a number of the 5-4 decisions where Justice Scalia was in the majority, and there aren't that many of them, he was usually in dissent, but the 5-4 decisions where Justice Scalia was in the majority, we could see them perhaps not completely overruled, but winnowed away and chiseled down to their core without much left.
And this wouldn't necessarily always just be liberal versus conservative. Even if you had a Republican justice who didn't follow originalism, there might be a whole different way that the court could come down on some of these cases, couldn't there?
Right. I mean, we should not forget that Chief Justice John Roberts is an appointee of George W. Bush, and every year John Roberts finds a new way to break my heart. Every year. Whether it's Obamacare, it'll be immigration probably this year. He always finds a way to break my heart. So we have to be very, very diligent in appointing justices to try to ferret out the sorts of things that didn't turn out so well.